Finally, the job is done. So today we're going to add the Z1 collars for the subframe. So what we'll have to do is, the idea is to make a gap above the subframe mounts in order to put the collars on. So that means that we will have to lower the subframes. So we'll have to open this bolt, the one there, the one in front, and we'll have to lower the exhaust. So we'll have to open this, the front one, which are here under this plastic shield, here, lower them. I think we will have to support the diff or the subframe. Remove the test pipe, because there is no space here. We'll need more space. So let's start the steps. The exhaust hanger. So this is actually one of my favorite tools. So it's supposed to do this much easier. It can take out the exhaust hangers out in a very easy way. So we'll have to support the diff before we open the bolt. So actually this hoist is not made for scissor lifts, because as you see, I'm sitting on a rolling chair. This was done for a full height lift. So because the scissor lifts only raise the car up to maximum 1.2 meters, which is 120 centimeters. And this is, when you buy it, it's the height start from 136 centimeters. So I had to cut it from down and to make it suitable for this kind of lift. So it's now start from here and go up to 1.4 meters. So this thing, I had to modify it to use it on mid-rise scissors lift. So we'll start by opening those. We'll open these as well. So those two are 14 millimeters. Well, this one is 19 millimeters, so I kept it on a 3. So let's see if this got the power to open it without the breaker bar. Oh, that's too much dust. So I think because I'm using the small battery, it couldn't open it. So I'll W40 it and we'll try again, change the batteries. This is the 2 ampere, I'll put the 4 ampere battery. So I kept WD-40 and I changed the battery to the big one. So let's see now. Okay, let's go. Oh yes. I'll keep it a little bit tight, like this, to hold the subframe. I see if I lose it. Yeah. So I believe I'll have to remove this hanger as well to lower this bracket. So we'll have to remove this. So I lowered both sides, and guess what I found? I found my rigid collars. So I'm not sure if I'll have to keep those or no. Anyways, we open the back, the rears. We will go to the front ones. So I lowered this brace, and if you see those collars, they come here. They come here to reduce the play in the subframe. But I don't think if they have any effect or no. So anyways, I will see if I can install them back or no. And I don't think that there are any colors up, to be honest. I'm not sure. So I'll put back those nuts to support the weight of the subframe. So I'll go ahead and remove this plastic shield. So we can open this. So I believe those small boats are 10 millimeters. Yes, they are 10. Well, this is quite a challenge. So I believe what I can do is I can drop those ramps. Let's see. So I guess this is one of the downsides of the mid-dry scissor lift. So in order to lower the subframe, we'll have to remove this piece, open it from here, and then we can remove the subframe. So we'll have to open this M brace. I don't think there is any way to lower subframe, and this is on, so we'll have to lower it to remove it. So I remove the brace. So we'll have to open this piece, open this, we'll have to open this, and there is one here, and this is the main one. If you see, there is a rigid puller here as well, so these two on the inside, they are 14 ml, so still have this. We need the flexible key. So we'll open the bolt here. Open it little, and we'll go this side. Whoa! You need a safety glasses to open this. So I got this piece like stuck in, so I had to hit it in order to get it loose. So this is the orientation. This is rear bottom, this is rear ups, this is the fronts up, those two fronts bottom, those are mentioned in the manual as G. C-A-D, G. There is nothing written here as G, so I guess they are G. So this is the collar that goes inside the rear part of the subframe, and this goes here. So this is the color D. It's going here, but I'm not sure to which orientation it will go. So it's going here. I'm not sure what is the right orientation, but anyways, we'll W40 نشيك W40 خلينا نشيك. It seems like it's going in from this side, but not this side. So So this is the maximum I can get. I couldn't get this inside. So this is the rear part of the subframe cooler. I noticed if you rotate it, it will eventually sit and then you can press it on. And so this is how it's ended. Those are very easy. You will need to hit them. So I installed them and I noticed something. Bushes on the driver side, the colors on the driver side, as you see, they didn't go in. Every time I squeeze them in, they go out. Well, this is the same. It didn't go in. But the one at this side, they went in easily. As you see this, it went in perfectly. And this, it went in. And I believe this is because actually those two bushes from this side, their condition is okay. However, the bushes here, both of them are blown. As you see, I think this is the chemical or silicone or something that is inside the bushes leaked out. That's why there was a problem in squeezing those colors in. So, anyways, so installation done. Closing will be like from 100 to 120 Nm, Newton meter of torque. So this will be around 70, 80 FT. So what I will do is I will remove this. I will keep this here. I'll keep this on number 2. And I'll use it, tight it here and continue with the torque wrench. So, okay, this side. Now, use torque wrench. That's it. Well, that's not much extra above the number 2 on the left side. So the big bolts, they are 110 to 120 Newton meter. Those big ones. The small ones here, 50, 60, like those two and this one. I believe the brace here is 40 as well. So, well, I painted this brace and the one here as well in black, just to protect them from rust. So, good idea. I also, this plastic mount, I changed it to another one to hold this. I think this is the ABS sensor wire. So this is semi-grounding, I guess. We keep it here. And it's done. Finally, the job is done. The colors are in the car. I guess thank you Z1 Motorsports for this product. And next will be the lower control arms. So see you next time.